Hi there, it's Adam at Fordingtons in Hexham, and today I'm showing you around this 60 plate Volkswagen Caddy wheelchair conversion one, finished in this really nice army sort of green, dark green metallic, alloy wheels, and the suspension is a little bit raised. That's for the wheelchair kit, which is all being done by UCAN conversion. Really easy to use. I'll demonstrate shortly. Onto the inside, where you have a chair that drops down, all the hooks to lock a wheelchair in, an actual rear passenger, front passenger seat, as you'll be able to see, that can be removed. It's on wheels, radio and aircon, and this button just here, holding that in for a little while. And there you can see, you just press that and it does all the work. You also have the fobs with the key. And there you are, simple as that. It's inside, you can walk in. And it has a really low mileage on this vehicle, just about 36,000 if I remember correctly. But there you have it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you now, bye.